Haya. Nipe hiyo kisi yangu.
Wajua tushaanza.
Usikata randomly. Wow. There are so many sisal plants around here. I think
Actually this is also a fruit.
This is a fruit.
It fruits ziko kwa nini? Mzizi. It's a very sweet fruit, yeah. Just unplug it.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. So today I'm going to be showing you a plant that is very dear to my heart. This plant has been used by very many households in Africa and specifically in Kenya to treat diseases such as diarrhea, dysentery among children, and it can just be used to treat just overall diseases, maybe skin infections, just anything. When you feel that your body is not okay, you can drink this plant. And my cameraman, let us go and look at let us go and look at this plant. Let's go and look at this plant right here. Let's go and look at this plant. We are deep in a bush. So this is what I'm talking about. This is it. This is ouch. Whoa. This is aloe vera. Aloe vera plant, and
this I saw.
Yeah, this is sorry. So sorry guys, this is sisal. This is sisal. I confused. This is sisal plant, but it can be confused with aloe vera. You see, aloe vera is a little bit smaller, I guess. You'll just see it's a little bit smaller, but this is sisal. It just grows on the wild like this. See? But it looks exactly like that, but a smaller plant. So we are going to be still looking. What about this?
This sisal, I think it's sisal, but it's a bit smaller than the other.
This is sisal too.
Yeah, a different species, I think.
This is sisal. Sisal, it looks like sisal. Sisal is growing here like randomly. Wow. There are so many sisal plants around here. I think
actually this is also a fruit.
This is a fruit.
It fruits ziko kwa nini? Mizizi. It's a very sweet fruit, yeah. Just unplug it in. Actually, it's sweet.
What plant is this? Ati iko na nini?
Inakanga fruit yake inakwanga kwa mizizi. It's a root tuber, yeah.
It's very, very difficult to uproot it.
It's a root tuber. Also this, yeah, this places hii pia inakwanga inaekanga nini, but hii sijidani kwa inameanga huko chini.
This one?
Yeah.
I think it has fruits nje nini?
Yeah.
Chini.
Sio ya chini hiyo.
So I think this one also too is a
inaitwa is it a mwarubaini?
This one is mwarubaini. Is this
mwarubaini?
No, this is not mwarubaini. No, this ain't marubaine. This ain't marubaine, but let us continue going.
Oh, I know this one. I think it's the one yenye umeenda fishing. Nashuku indi ile yenye wanachuna its leaves, then they crush it na inatoa some nini
liquid.
Yeah, so inatupwa kwa maji, then fish zinakam. It's used for trapping fish. For
fishing. This one. Show them.
Yeah.
This is used for trapping fish. But let us first. I can only see a lot of sisal around here, and one thing I've noticed is that most of this sisal like growing in like areas that like stony areas and areas that are not like a lot of water. There's no water. Can't seem to find any aloe vera around here. All these are sisal.
Yeah. Aloe vera, maybe we should go that way.
Deep inside.
Okay, I don't understand the use of this.
That is somebody's. Yeah, that is somebody's land. So
let's go this way.
Here, this is somebody's land too. Yeah,
I don't think we can find aloe vera this side.
You sure you can't find aloe vera?
I don't think
aloe
we
vera
will
is
find
usually found in the wild. Ama.
I don't think we are going to find aloe vera here. Watch out for the snakes.
Yes, but I'm very sure they are not snakes around here. Like it's very, very difficult to find a snake around here.
Do you know this plant?
Is it something that...
Yeah, it's a herb.
What is it used for?
I think it's used to cure shida tu ya tumbo, I think. Yeah.
Oh.
It's very bitter.
Oh, it's used for...
Yeah.
Like it can be used to cure stomach ache.
Yeah. If I'm not wrong, I think. Yeah. Inagongwa alafu inakunywa yo soup.
So it's grounded and then...
It's called mbegu raisi.
Mbegu raisi?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Hey.
You tell me you can't find aloe vera here.
Can we go through this way?
Where?
Yeah, I think this is better. Hey. Okay. Joshua, are you going to manage? Hey. Wow.
I thought it's very easy to find aloe vera around here. Where again can you go and look?
I don't think we'll manage to find aloe vera around here.
You're sure?
100%.
We haven't found any aloe vera plant around here as at now. Haven't found anything. It's very, very difficult to find these plants. Instead of aloe vera, I'm finding a lot of sisal. I'm finding a lot of sisal plants. Sisal is not medicinal. I'm finding a lot of sisal. I'm finding a lot of sisal plants. I'm finding a lot of sisal plants. When you look right here, there is nothing. There's nothing around here. Aloe vera, I thought it was a very, very common. I thought aloe vera was a very common. It's a very common plant to find.